Okay, I got another little update here on my progress. Been trying to stay busy here lately to try to get my mind off the pain, just having my wisdom teeth out. So went ahead and buffed out some of these brake parts here. Turned out pretty good. I was taking a close look at them and noticed kind of missed a few spots, so I'm going to go back and finish them up here. But yeah, they're looking pretty good. Looking really good, really. I mean, could just leave them, but no. I mean, there's a few little spots I want to touch up. So yeah, so these calipers turned out really good. And yeah, these master cylinders, I knocked out that cracked and glazed sight glass there. I'm going to replace that. Yeah, it turned out real nice. This is a rear master cylinder. This gave me a bit of problems coming apart. It was so rusted in there. Well, I knew that there was a C-clip holding all the parts in there, but I couldn't see it. It was so rusted. There it is here. I wound up chipping away. Eventually I found one of the holes there and just pulled, because the other side was just was rusted right in there. I mean, this there's hardly anything left of that. It's just rust now. So I got a new one on the way. And yeah, I might have pointed out before, this is a little bit melted from the exhaust. So I got another one of them on the way too. Yeah, there's the sight glass from the front master cylinder. I could knock that out. So yeah, so this was a little bit of a bugger coming apart, but you know, obviously I made it happen and cleaned it up, and looks pretty good. I finally got the buffing wheels on the bench grinder there, so I went and polished up some stuff. Obviously just polished this with some of those little tiny felt pads in the rotary tool. It's not bad, it's not great. I'm going to go back and try to finish that up a little better. Chain guide is looking pretty good. I mean, this was, well, there's still some scratches, some dings in there that, I mean, I just can't get out. They're just too deep. But yeah, I mean, this is just the first round of polishing here. I mean, it's already looking pretty shiny for something that was really busted up pretty good. The silencer is looking pretty good too. Again, that's just the first round of polishing there. I'll put the other wheel on and polish it up to a mirror finish. And this steering stem top clamp is looking really good. And just for comparison, this is the one that I got off eBay. This is the one that actually belongs on the bike. This one I know was for a 2003 RM125. No idea where this came. This was the one that came on the bike, and I have no idea what its origins are, but it's obviously going back on the bike. I mean, no question. Yeah, this is the rear hub after sandblasting. This is the front hub after sandblasting and some buffing. So this looks good. This looks great. So this looks ready for anodizing, of course, once I get the bearings out. Still haven't managed to make that happen yet. Gotta borrow that blind bearing removal tool from work. So yeah, really nice. So the process to getting to that point was, of course, wash it in the parts washer, sandblast, and then get yourself some of these things and a rotary tool, ideally a Dremel, but I got a cheap knockoff of a knockoff at Princess Auto and it seems to be working alright. Some felt buffing pads there, wire wheels, assortment of wire wheels. These things have been pretty useful, pretty helpful. And then for the polishing, yeah, these there's one on the drill press. The thing that I didn't know going into this is these polishing wheels make a god-awful mess. As you can see, I mean, not just the compound, but the little bits of wheel just all over the place. So I guess ideally, if you when you start doing the polishing, I guess it's just best to just see it through till you're done. You can't work on polishing and juggle other projects at the same time. Just too much mess. Okay, I got some more minor progress to report on here. There's a lot of work on one little piece. It warranted mentioning. Here's the seat support tabs. Of course, one of them had a drilled out hole in it. It was probably about 3/8 of an inch diameter. Needed to be no more than about 1/4 of an inch diameter. So I cut out a little slug out of some scrap angle iron I had, welded it in. And yeah, it looks like I had the heat settings up a little too high. You can see there's some pitting there from some melting, but I mean, at least the hole's the right diameter now, and I'm not going to have the seat flopping around. It should stay in place. Got a nice polish on it too, I'd say. I mean, it's not perfect. I mean, you can see some scratches, and probably from the face here. Yeah, you can see some scratches and obviously some dimples here and there, but it doesn't need to look too pretty. It needs to work well, and yeah, that's just bare steel there right now. So I'm gonna get that electroplated so that it won't rust out too quick. And I'm gonna fill this one in a little bit too. A lot of time spent on just a couple little pieces. So it all adds up. This is really taking some time here. Anyways, back at it.